Welcome to Fantasy Sports Ball, your home for all things fantasy sports. Last week, Inside Fantasy Sports Ball brought you the story of potential allegations of a doping scandal involving Mr. Sniffles. Since then, Mr. Sniffles has sought help for his issues. Now, out of rehab, we bring you the inside scoop. We sat down with Mr. Sniffles for an interview. He states,
"It got so out of control so fast. I'm just a small town boy from the sewers of Waco, Texas. But before I knew it, I was a superstar. When the partying started, I never had to pay for a drink. I never had to wait in line at Scruffy Murphy's. Pretty soon, that wasn't enough. I was headed down I-35 looking for the cocaine studies lab at the University of Texas. That was when I hit rock bottom. When I arrived at Turning Point Rat Recovery, I was tired of living a lie. I didn't want to be Mr. Sniffles the superstar, Mr. Sniffles the sex symbol. I wanted to find out who the real Mr. Sniffles was."
Since getting clean, Mr. Sniffles has become a vegan, started a charity for underserved rat pups on the 5th floor, and dedicated his life to the Lord, saying he wants to join the ministry after college. This has created a stir on campus, as the professors at Tidwell Bible Building have said they would welcome a rat of the cloth, while the faculty at Truett Seminary have said that a rat in the ministry is antithetical to the Christian mission. Mr. Sniffles says that he couldn't have done it without the support of his sponsor, Remy, the world-class chef featured in the documentary film Ratatouille, or his therapist, Stuart Little. Though Mr. Sniffles says he no longer wants to be thought of as a superstar sex symbol, a recent Panhellenic survey among the sororities shows that the reform bad boy is still quite popular with the ladies. This heartwarming turnaround could not have come at a better time, as the Learning and Behavior Lab is on the verge of conference play. Until next time, this has been Fantasy Sports Ball Insider.